everyone. Today we are going to introduce Meliponinis, the stingless bees. Meliponinis can be found in most tropical or subtropical regions, such as Australia, Africa, Central and South America. The group contains about 500 species. The stingless bees actually have stingers, but they are highly reduced and cannot be used for defense. So, these bees defend themselves in other ways, such as biting, trying to enter in the ear or the nose, and releasing propolis or even acid over their aggressors. In Central America, thousands of years ago, the stingless bees Melipona bichae were extensively cultured by ancient Maya civilization for honey and regarded as sacred. They once served as the subject of various Mayan religious ceremonies and were a symbol of the bee god Amazon. According to Maya tradition, a priest would harvest the honey during a religious ceremony. They are very important in pollinating the vanilla orchid, which has pollen covered in a little septum down inside the flower, and the stingless bees know exactly how to pollinate it. With their help, we can enjoy vanilla.
Brazil is home to more than 300 species of stingless bees, though only 20 to 30 are viable for honey production. Most of the bees used for honey are from the genus Melipona. There are a variety of hive structures in which the colonies are kept, though most separate the hive into brood chambers and a honey super. Some traditional hives include hollow logs and ceramic pots, as stingless bees naturally build their hives in trees, underground cavities, and rock crevices. Other hives are hanging and can be as simple as a hollow gourd or as structured as a PVC container hive. Hive boxes are similar to the hives of honeybees, but are much smaller. Since stingless bees do not draw comb like honeybees, frames are not needed in these designs. A single hive of Melipona bees produces around 2 pints of honey a year, which is only a fraction of what the apis bees produce. Extraction involves removing the honey pots and crushing them to let the honey strain out. The rare honey is mostly used for medicinal purposes, and many beekeepers in Brazil keep stingless bees only for this purpose. Though they produce smaller quantities, Melipona honey can sell for almost 25 times more than honeybee honey.
Over in the land down under, Meliponini bees are kept as pets, and you guessed it, the outback. In the backyard, that is. These tiny friends don't require much, just give them an empty wooden box and they're happy. Seen here, the Meliponini section off where they put the brood, the honey pots, and the pollen sacs. The eggs are seen to the left and look like popcorn kernels. To the right are the pollen sacs, which are the lighter color, and the honey at the bottom is a darker color. No ready-made frames are needed for them. Live in a warmer climate like Queensland or New South Wales, you may be able to harvest some honey. Those in cooler climates should leave the honey for the bees, for they may starve or die off. Being much smaller than the European honeybee, the Meliponini bees are able to fit into small areas. In Australia, it is becoming much more popular to keep these bees in greenhouses, to pollinate in an enclosed area. Some of Australia's most valuable food exports are helped by the pollination of Meliponini bees. Mangoes and watermelon and the macadamia nut can be grown successfully with the help of the Meliponini. Whether you're a pet lover, a bee worshiper, or a honey harvester, the Meliponini bee is the right one for you.